Got my new Apimaye brood frames in. We're going to check these wooden ones that we put in last time. Hopefully they haven't done too much work, because I want to get rid of these wooden frames and put in the new plastic. Nope, nothing. Just making sure the queen isn't down here. I highly doubt it, because there's no brood, no eggs, no nothing. I'm just going to take my time and look for her anyway. Then I'm going to sweep all the workers down into the box gently. And they are not happy about it at all. A little bit of pollen in this one, but no eggs, no brood, no nothing. And today I think we're March 28th. Just FYI. Get a bit of pollen in this one, but no babies. Right now we'll add our new Apimaye frames. These things snap together real easily, a lot easier than the old wood ones. And I ordered me some new dividers. Wish I'd have come up with that idea. Keep all of our frames equal distance apart. Now we got to go through these supers where the queen is more than likely hiding out, and sweep them down into the brood chamber and hopefully find her. So bee doesn't land on my little block here and then we get butt stung, which has happened. Okay, there we go. See some drones walking around. This one does have some cat brood, so we're going to put it back. The ones that don't have much at all, I'll replace them with the Apimaye super frames. And the queen is normally going to run away from the light, so she might have gone into that bottom box. This one's just got some pollen. A little bit of honey, but no brood. A lot of brood in this one. Really need to find that queen though. That way we can put this queen excluder back on, let the larvae hatch out that are in the supers currently, and then they'll fill them back up with honey because she won't be able to get back up to the top. If I can just find her. There she is. Found her. That's our girl. Right there. Now I'm just going to capture her with this little queen catcher. Come on up, girl. Certainly don't want to hurt her or lose her. Where'd she go? There she is. Good, we found her, guys. Come here, big girl. Mister. All right, we got her in the queen catcher. That is awesome. Now we don't have to worry so much. We can go through and get rid of these super frames. We don't have a lot. Replace them with the Apimaye super frames. Yeah, she's a nice, healthy, big queen. Let's see, where'd she go? You can see her big butt. Right there. So now we'll put her down at the bottom and put the queen excluder on and make her butt stay down where she's supposed to belong, and again let the other guys hatch out up top, and then she'll lay her babies down at the bottom. She can't get back up to the top, so once those hatch out they'll have nothing other to store up there than honey like they're supposed to. And I am going to use these feeders just to help them build out those new frames. Just want to make sure that this will fit on top of the frame dividers. Oh yeah. Alright, let's put Miss Queen Bee down in here. There she goes. Saw her fall to the bottom. These back on real quick like. Get that queen excluder on. Boom. Now she's got to stay her butt down in the bottom. Oh, this one's heavy. Alright, let's see if there's any frames we can, any wooden frames we can get rid of up top here. Judging by the weight of this one though, I don't know how many frames we'll be able to get rid of because it's pretty full of larvae and honey. A lot of honey in this one. Maybe some of these very outside frames we might be able to trade out for the plastic. Yeah, like this one. A lot of babies. Tons of babies. Great, because spring is happening. Time to do work.